AAP stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Advanced Auto Parts stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end. We're sitting at $60.08, overall 5.72% down for the day. I myself personally am still, what's the idea here with AAP? Okay, so previously we have set like a demand zone which we never held. So what I'm going to do is just remove everything. Look at this from the overall monthly chart, and I do see still a bullish trend, man. So there's like no stress here. Even if we just went down a little bit, like it really does not matter. Like I'm gonna start to look for upside deliveries if the price started giving me double breaks above here, and anything else for me just rather be noise, and I would not entertain the idea, you know. So obviously it's a daily chart, so we're gonna wait quite a bit. On the lower time frame, obviously we could start to look for some downside movements, but I'd rather just stick with this. So not financial advice. If you want to learn a strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins for free, check the photo link in the description, and I'll see you in the next